Good Guys Del Mar. It's going down. 65 Cadillac for sale, y'all. Put your bread up. If you want to get your stun on. Clean, big boy. Yeah, y'all. Big Herc 916. Positivity, motivation. Never settle for average. Pick you up some merch. BigHerc916.com. I'm out here at the Good Guys Del Mar, California, at the fairgrounds. They got a lot of street cars out here, and I'm about to get some dope videos of some old schools out here doing their thing. So that's the dragster that was making all that noise. That thing is a monster. Woo, man, that's a lot of power right there. Yeah, that's some old school right there for you guys. So there's a lot of different old schools out here. Everything from old Fords to hot rods to dragsters. That's 42 right here. Yeah, they got a lot of everything. I'm just strolling through the back parking lot, man, and it's just so much to look at. And I love these old cars, man. I love seeing how people have their own individual taste and how they decide to fix them up. This is cool. This is a Ghia, you guys. This is a rare car right here. It's got a 273 in it. And this is a coach-built car that had American drivetrain, but I believe Italian coach work. Ghia. You don't see too many of these. And this is a convertible at that. Check out the interior and those gauges. Wow. I think a couple of people from the Rat Pack had one of these. Check out this 49 Buick, man. Wow. This thing is crazy. I got it, man. It's the metal and chrome on this. Beautiful car. Look at the interior in this thing. This was gangster before they had gangster. This is what the mobsters used to roll in. Sunburst orange on this. What is this? This is 37 Ford Slant. Look at this thing. Clean paint job. Got an old school, you gotta have a paint job right. Got the Cuddy over here sitting on looking like 22s. Okay, we see him. Got the Vo tires. 7 Deuce Cutlass. So there's a little bit of everything out here, man. Like I said, you could think of an old school. Somebody's most likely got it out here. How you doing?
Good, how you doing?
Everything from your truck to your gasser, T-Bird. On the top, clean T-Bird. Don't see these every day. It's clean Cadillac. This thing right here is sitting really nice. Look like it's on either air ride or it's on hydraulics. Coupe de Ville. Some more old school Ford 32. Got another one over here. Don't see these rolling every day, man. Got your racing truck. That thing's all geared up for the track. I'm gonna take you guys for a stroll to see some of the cars that are on the autocross circuit. These cars will all be competing in the autocross sometime today. So you got everything from trucks, Corvette, Camaro, Daytona, another Corvette. You even got a buggy getting down. If you could drive it, you can get on that autocross and make it do. A lot of Corvettes on this. Camaro, Corvette. Got this monster Challenger over here. Oh, they even got the Camaro I seen yesterday out here. I want to see this thing run on the autocross. So yeah, as you can see, man, there's a little bit of everything out here getting down on the autocross. And this is all about handling and being able to get off on those corners, man.
Pick up that front wheel. Oh, me? Oh, good. Yeah. That thing, that's the heartbeat of America right there. How do you have your that thing? Yeah. Really? Oh, all like that or still? Right? Hang on 1 second, Camaro. Wait, is that Cobra? Is that one right there? Oh, I thought I may have had it here.
Okay, let's watch it.
Oh shit!
Please, so much.
Yeah, man. You see, guys, see that? That Cobra, man, on the autocross. I don't know if the brakes locked up or what, but dude, he slammed into the barricade hard. Looked like they're all right, but I don't know about the car, man. The car looked like it might be hurt. You got a shot of the front of the car, you guys, so you can see the damage. I mean, they look like they're all right, so that's a good thing. Well, it looks like the motor's still good. The chassis is probably shot. Radiator's busted out. Front of the car is done. Yeah. Man, not the way you want to end the autocross.
They're gonna get pictures anyway, guys. He's gotta act like a video shot.
Oh, go ahead. Good guys, you guys. Classics. Muscle cars in the house. I know you're not the average motherfucker, so I got some merch for you. Never settle for average, because we ain't the average motherfuckers. Tank tops, t-shirts, never settle for average, because we ain't the average motherfuckers. Got them hats. Got them hats, man. BigHerc916.com. Pick you up some merch. Limited, very limited. I'm not going to have a bunch of these because
There's only a limited edition of people who ain't the average motherfuckers.
Lockdown's over. Get your yard time in. Exclusively at FreshOutSeries.com. Hello, I'm Big Herc 916. Contact me for life coaching and motivational speaking.